This section is all about focusing on the long term. Too many times traders get into Forex hoping to make thousands of dollars over their first week of manual trading. Although Edge Trading Academy is definitely giving you a true edge in the market, the information you have learned and the tools you receive from us will only make you successful if you take the right actions from here on out. Now that you have all of this valuable information, practice is what is going to get you to where you want to be as a trader. Coming back to the basketball analogy, a basketball doesn't just go in the hoop by itself. It's the player's ability to get past the defense and shoot the ball so it lands perfectly in the basket. And how does a player get good at that? The player has a good coach to teach him or her everything he or she needs to know, and then it comes down to the player practicing as hard as they can. Even if you have everything you need to be successful, it doesn't guarantee your account will grow. You need to develop the ability to read the market, execute the correct strategy depending on the situation, and be very consistent in your risk management so you have more wins and less losses in the long run. You need to practice and continue to develop your skills, but it is definitely worth it. Imagine being able to make money whenever you want from anywhere you have an internet connection. That sounds like freedom to me. No boss telling you what to do, no being forced to wake up at a certain time, no wasting time driving in traffic. You have more time to spend with your family or exercising or doing what you love to do every day. So as you start out, you should stay focused on the process of learning and developing good habits, not on the profits. If you stay focused on that, the profits will eventually start rolling in. Focus on learning the market, trading techniques and high probability setups and systems. Focus on how to manage risk properly with the right lot size and stop loss in order to maximize your profit and minimize your risk. Do all of this on a demo account until you are consistently profiting with a single trading system that you're able to follow to a T. These steps moving forward will lead you to finding a trading system that works for you, and that's when you will begin to profit consistently in the market and never look back.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.